Hey everybody, welcome back. I hope everybody's doing amazing this Sunday evening. I'm doing great and you guys know the deal and you know why I'm here. I'm back to present you with more remote work opportunities and we're going to get into the details, but in the meanwhile, check out the screen and you will see client testimonials from my clients who have had success with my resume services, whether it's been a review, a revamp, coaching. They have gotten interviews. They've also landed jobs, moved to the assessment process. So right now I do have a special and it's going to be $20 off any service, $45 or more using the code SPECIAL20. So if you've been wanting to take advantage of my services, this is definitely the time. And I also have Afterpay on my site and Klarna as well for those of you who are on a budget. So this is going to last until the end of the week. So take advantage of this sale while you can. I look forward to assisting you. So let's get into our first opportunity, which is going to be an overnight part-time opportunity. Now these are very rare. So if you're interested, get your application in as soon as possible. So it's coming from Postpartum Support International. So a little bit about this company. They are a global nonprofit organization and they're dedicated to providing peer support, education, and resource referrals for families and individuals affected by postpartum mental health conditions. So right now they are looking for an IT technical support specialist. And so with this opportunity right here, it does have a great compensation. I have that highlighted for you. It's going to be 20 hours a week, Monday through Friday, 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to involve delivering hardware and software assistance to NMMHH counselors, working in tandem with team members to resolve issues via remote and telephone support, and it's going to involve reviewing operational workflows and providing technical expertise to mitigate business technology challenges. And so they want 3 to 5 years of technical support experience or a related role, a bachelor's degree in technology, computer science, or a related field, or equivalent experience is preferred. High school diploma, GED is required. You must complete and clear a non-sensitive Tier 2 moderate check and clearance background check administered by HHS. You must be able to commit to the Postpartum Support International vision and be passionate about its mission and possess high internet speeds. While this is a remote role, travel and in-person meeting attendance is required up to 2 times per year for internal PSI meetings as needed for contractual essential stakeholder engagements. Let's move on to our next opportunity. This one is coming from the Savings Group, and this company right here connects financial institutions and borrowers across an efficient digital ecosystem, helping consumers unlock savings on their cars through market-leading vehicle finance and refinance products. And so right now they are looking for a DMV operations specialist for titles. This is going to be a full-time position right here. Now this company does have some state hiring restrictions. I do have these highlighted for you. And with this one right here, it's going to involve navigating varying DMV processes, hold times, and agent responses to obtain required information, verifying title statuses, lien perfection, rejection reasons, correction requirements, also challenging inconsistent or unclear responses to ensure accuracy. You'll also interpret DMV responses and translate them into clear, actionable updates and document findings in internal systems with high attention to detail. You'll also provide informed recommendations to leadership and act as a support layer to production and resolution teams by supplying verified information. And so they would like a minimum of 1+ years of experience in DMV operations or title processing and working knowledge of vehicle titling, lien holder requirements, and DMV processes, and experience handling high volume phone interactions as well. And I do have the compensation highlighted for you here. So these are all of the opportunities that I have for you today. Don't forget, I do include these on a blog post on my website. That link is in the description bar of every single video. And again, make sure to take advantage of the special going on right now with my resume revamp services. Use code SPECIAL20 at checkout. Link is in the description bar for you. I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow, bright and early at 7:15 a.m. And good luck to those of you who get to apply for the jobs.